Hey everybody. Well, it's snowing here in South Mills, North Carolina, and it is always a great thing, except for when you have a farm and you have animals you have to take care of, even when it's snowing. Knuckles! Knuckles! He's trying to be like a buffalo and dig underneath the snow. Hey, big boy! What are you doing? So we'll see. Well, nobody else is out there right now, but he hears my voice. That's why he's looking this way. But we'll check back with him after a little while. When the water freezes, that's when we're in trouble. When the water outside freezes. So I'll keep you posted. But the snow's really, it's nice right now. He's a big boy. Everybody else has gone in the barn.